Stop use divs. Use semantic. Our home page has this semantic page structure: header, nav, main, section, articles, footer. For whom is semantic page structure? Semantic HTML helps humans and machines understand our website structure. It's for multiple important audiences. For developers, you and your team, semantic structure makes code easier to read, easier to maintain, easier to scale. Compare. When we use div and class, we compare various header semantic elements. You instantly understand the purpose. For accessibility, very important, screen readers used by visually impaired users rely on semantic tags. Example, nav, this is navigation, main, this is main content, article, this is standalone piece. Without semantics, your site becomes harder or impossible to use. For search engine optimization, Google and search engines, Google does use it, but not in a magic ranking boost way. Semantic HTML helps understand your page content structure, identify important content, improve indexing. Example, article main content, header title area, time published day. It improves clarity, which can indirectly improve search engine optimization. For browsers and AI systems, modern systems, including AI, crawlers, assistants, use structure to parse content correctly, extract meaning, display rich results. Simple truth: semantic HTML equal clear meaning of content. Conclusion: semantic page structure is for developers, users, accessibility, and search engines.